Right, so next is I want to talk about how we're gonna make our mirrorless camera. It could be DSLR, depends on what you have, as a webcam. So let's say we want to have a teleconference, video call, or webinar. Instead of using our regular webcam in the laptop or MacBook, we can use our beautiful camera as you're seeing right now. I want to share you how. First, what we really need is we need a camera. I don't know what camera you have. I'm using a mirrorless camera Sony A6 6500. I'm not sure I can show it to you because I only have one camera and it's recording there. And what you need next is a laptop or a MacBook. Remember, if you're using some kind of modern MacBook or new laptops, they kind of usually doesn't have a USB 3. Instead they have a Thunderbolt or USB Type C. Next thing is why I'm mentioning about USB. What we really need is Elgato Cam Link. It doesn't really cost so much. It's like 200 or something. I will share the link in the description where you can buy it. That was the place where I buy this thing. It's like 250 bucks, if I remember. But yeah, I will share the links in the descriptions to see how much the price is. Actually, here's the thing. Here's the tools that these tools, what exactly this thing do is it will convert the camera that we have, the output from HDMI from the camera, put it here, and this USB will work as a converter when it's connected to our laptop, and the camera will work as a webcam. So this is why this is so amazing. Camlink, Elgato Camlink. I will share the link of this thing and the price. And since I'm using modern MacBook, I'm kinda need this. It's a kind of converter of a USB 3. It will convert it to USB Type C. So whenever I connect this Elgato Cam Link to this converter, and I just can connect to my Mac. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Next is what we really need is since I'm using mirrorless camera, we need HDMI cable, of course. What I have right here is it's pretty long. It's 5 meters cable, so it just I want to make sure that I get a very good connection and a very good distance. 5-meter cable. I will share in the description of this cable. What exactly is this thing doing is that it's just HDMI cable from micro HDMI here connected to my Sony A6500, and this is the HDMI cable that will connect it to Elgato. So I just like this, and then put it like this. So much comforter, but yeah, this is how things work these days. Just put it there, and this I'm gonna put it in my camera, and that's pretty much it. We just have to connect it, and what you can do in the MacBook, for example, here I'm using MacBook. I'm just gonna open the QuickTime. Okay, first I want to connect the cable to my camera first. Alright, now I'm already connecting it, and now we're gonna open QuickTime Player. You can see on the screen. I'm just gonna file new movie recording. No such thing as a driver or something that is necessary. Just literally just plug and play. Here, for example, I'm using my webcam. Not so good. I'm switching it to, let's say, Camlink. Well, there you go. It's super simple. It just it just works like that, and yeah. And from here we can use any kind of platform like Skype or Click Meeting or something. We can use it in the browser too. It works. I already tested and no problem such thing whatsoever. Well, that's been it. I guess it's pretty much it for today. I hope you could get we all learned something else from today.